How to get double XP or double power on your Duolingo application right from your PC or from your application. You have to follow some steps I'm showing you in this video from the official Duolingo website. How do you get an XP boost? So, the traditional way to complete a crown level when you earn a crown, you will usually bag yourself an XP boost as well. Now, once you complete the crown level and how you can get the XP without completing it, I say usually as this only tends to apply to your first crown of the day. If you unlock another crown while your boost is active, you won't be unlock another boost. So it is daily. You should then be eligible to unlock another by earning another row. Keep in mind that if you earn a crown by skipping a level, you won't be able to unlock the XP boost. So you will get a notification confirming that it's active for next 15 minutes. Unfortunately, you cannot save it for later. So this is how you can simply get it. That is impossible without getting a crown. Thank you so much for watching this video.